welcome to the shop. Today I think we're going to build a couple of crosses. So if anyone has any fur babies that passed on, went to heaven or doggy heaven, and you want to build a cross for them, I'm going to make 3 simple ones, and there'll be 3 of them will be different. Well, one will be different, the other 2 will be pretty much alike. So let me grab me some wood and I'll get going with it. So this first one, we're going to have it in the ground. We're going to stick it in the ground about 9 inches. So I'll put me a mark at 9, and then we're going to have a point on this end. So it'll go in the ground better, and it'll be something like that. I'll get it better in a minute. And then it's going to be 32 inches long. And we'll go ahead and use, we'll come down about 6 inches. And we'll put this across there, and this will be for the name. You can put your name on it, whatever. To get this embedded, we're gonna have it to where it's the same depth as the 2x4. So I'll bring it down like so, to where it's flush with the top. And I'm gonna go ahead and make a mark, and this part here will be shaved off. Make my mark come out. So I'll use my saw and shave it down to where that's missing. Make sure that's the right width. Always good to double check it with the board you're going to be using. Mark. So it's on that mark, and it's on this mark on this side. So I'll cut this one first, get my length. I'll get my length here cut out, and then we'll work on this part. I'm going to cut that at a 90. So to get this to where I'm cutting even, all the way through level, put this little spacer board in the back so your saw will go completely across it. And you want to set your depth for it. So before I even do that, I'll go ahead and set my depth gauge. And this is how you set your depth gauge. You have your little adjustment here. Just keep turning it till you get the depth you want. I got it on the mark, got it dialed in. I'm gonna go ahead and put my spacer board in place and start cutting that section out. And then we're going to screw it up also, so find our center here. Inches, so we need 7.5 for the center. Run some screws in. Pre-drilling, of course. 7/64 bit. Generally the right size for some number 8 screws, which is what I have here. Number 8 1.5 screws, exterior decking screws. And it's some Torque head, number 20. If you've never used them, they're far superior to Phillips head. Or Phillips head strips out really easy if you don't apply enough pressure on it. And when you go to back it out, if this thing has been in the wood for a long period of time, they're notorious for not coming out. They'll strip first. Torque screws, they fit so snug in that bit, they hold themselves. What you want, write the dog's name on it, or the fur baby's name on it.